A single practical skill can become a sustainable micro-coaching program that yields monthly retainers when framed as a repeatable system. Myra turned her 3D printing know-how into a 4-week coaching track that guides beginners from setup to first print, and the results spoke for themselves. The plan is simple: identify a niche, design a compact curriculum, price for ongoing access, and build a lightweight onboarding flow that feels personal yet scalable. The quickest win is pre-selling 2 slots to validate demand before recording modules and hosting live Q&A sessions. Consistent value delivery, patient reputation building, and client outcomes convert shy inquiries into dependable monthly retainers.